Let's talk about space, layout, and location. This one nails all three. 3549 Meadow Grove gives you over 4,100 finished square feet in Bailey's Grove, one of Kentwood's most established neighborhoods. Main floor primary suite with a fireplace, jetted tub and walk-in closet, open concept kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a double-sided fireplace flowing into a bright living space in a private backyard. Upstairs, 3 spacious bedrooms plus a versatile landing that works as an office, playroom, or reading space. The lower level is fully finished with a second kitchen, bar, theater room, 2 bedrooms, and a full bath, perfect for guests, extended family, or just spreading out. You're walking distance to Endeavor Elementary, minutes from the airport and 28th Street, and part of a neighborhood with trails, a pool, and a clubhouse. If you've been waiting for square footage and functionality, this one's worth a look. DM me to set up a private tour.